In this video, we are going to discuss about change management process real-time example. So, what is a change management? A change management actually helps organization understand and work to minimize risks of changes to the IT environment. So, here change management helps the organization understand the risks and maintain or work or minimize the risks of changes to environment. So, it can clearly see here it is essentially a process for managing the people side of change. So, here if you take an example of an ABC company which is running software, critical software on a server, a Windows 2003 server. So, here if the application has upgraded to the present new version, so but that needs to be changed to different server or mounted to a different server for 2012 R2, so that when you want this to be migrated from this server to that server, then we have to implement a change of moving from one server to other server and also decommissioning of the first server. So, here the change has to be implemented first, to be created, analyzed and implemented, and it can be closed. So, you can see here ServiceNow helps implementing your change management process by providing on demand capability. So, here the on demand capability is to migrate from one server to other updated server, and for creating, assessing, approving and implementing those changes to your environment. So, here this updated application should be migrated from the old server to the new server. So, within the platform, changes are handled using the task record system. So, within the organization we raise a task so that the task can be closed after the change has been completed. Each change is generated through a variety of means of task record populated within the permanent information in individual fields. So, it depends, like if this is regarding to the server team will raise a task. If it is regarding to the network team will raise a task. Accordingly, all the internal teams will be raising a task if any change is required. So, these tasks can be assigned to appropriate change management team members who will deal with the task as appropriate. Once the change has been properly implemented, it is closed. So, after these tasks are raised or logged, these are moved or these are assigned to the change management team members, and after they implement the change, they release a notification stating that the change has been implemented and it has been closed. So, the importance of change management here is it maintains all the risks and on demand capabilities with better information, and they implement the changes accordingly.